So good afternoon. We are team 6. We will present our report for the midterm for our project. Our project is the pharmacy management information system. So first, this is our trailer, and what we are working on now, we are working on front end designing and the weekly report. So first in the front end, what we did this week, couple of weeks, we created the main menu. We created the medicine button that will direct you to the medicine page and the customer button and the log out button. Second, we created the medicine page that included the CRUD, which is add, edit, delete, and refresh. And then we created the table. Then we uh, made the connected the table and the CRUD. So when you click on update or save, it will show you the data inside the table. Also, we did the same thing in the customer page. That's created the CRUD buttons and created the table and show the customer data inside the tables. And this, the other rest, we are still working on. Then in the weekly report, we go here. So the week 7, we created and implemented the database. And in week 8, we started creating the main page that I showed you. I will show you later, and the medicine page and the customer page. And the backend team will connect each button from the CRUD so it adds and you can modify. But for now, we just connect the table only. So let's show you first that our database.
Okay, for the database, we have 7 table. The first is admin, second category, customer, medicine, purchase, and type. In the admin, it contains the admin, the username, and the password. It will show the admin of the system. The next is category. In the category, we have 3 column, the category ID, category name, and the description. The next is customer. In this table, we show the customer list of the system. The first is the customer ID, name, address, and the phone. Next is medicine. In medicine, we have medicine ID, name, type ID, category ID, expired date, price, stock, and the description of the product. Next is in the purchase. In this table, we have data of the purchase history of the medicine store. The table is have have purchase ID, medicine ID, admin ID, customer ID, amount, and purchase date. The last is type. Type we have only 2 columns, the type ID and the type name. So
So now we will show you our product. This is inside the designing application NetBeans. So when we start, it will appear this. This is the name of we will change the name later on. This is the buttons. We only created these two. And here the log out. Later at the final step is creating the login. This will be the log out. And this one is the current time and the current date. So when we click on show customer, this will appear, the customer page. It have the add, delete, and save for now, and refresh. So you can, after you save, it will refresh. So when we click on save for now, it will show you the customer data, which the customer ID, the name of the customer, and his address and his phone number. So later, when you click, when you want to add a new customer, you add it here and you click save. It will save here. And this is the back button. It will take you back to the previous page. Now we will show the medicine. So inside here, the medicine page, there's also the CRUD, add, delete, save, and refresh. It will be changed later on. Then when you click on save, it will show you inside the table the data of the medicine. So here the ID, I had the medicine name, the medicine type, the medicine category, the expiry date, price, stock, and description of each medicine. So for now, we managed just to create this, and next week we will continue. The backend team will modify this button so it will work fine, and we will try to continue doing the pursuit history. And later on, we will do the notification that tells you what is expired and when the stock is almost finished. And the final step is creating the login. So thank you for watching, and see you next time.